Good day everyone. In today's tutorial I want to show you how to download and install QField on mobile phone. So let's launch our mobile phone. The first thing, make sure your internet connection is on, either to your mobile internet or Wi-Fi. Then go to Google Play Store, launch it. Then come to the search bar, type QField. This is it, QField for QGIS. This is the symbol, QField for QGIS. So it is just about 78 MB. Click on install. Pending. It has started downloading. The download is completed. So it has started installing. So installation complete. You can click here to open it, or you can go to your phone main screen, click on list of app and scroll down to locate QField. This is it. Click to launch it. Click on allow. It's finalizing the installation. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. So this notification, you can choose to read these informations about the QField version you install. You can read about the feature, the improvements, you can read everything about it. And here you can choose to agree to this is just the welcome notification. You can choose to agree to it, or you go straight to the interface of the QField. So you can see the QField cloud project, and you can also open project from your local file. So let's open our local file. You can see the QField file directories, and you can see import project, import dataset, and sample projects. So let's open the sample project. In sample project, you can see base maps, datasets. If you open the dataset, these are the data inside that dataset. Let's go back. So if you open the base map, these are the datasets inside the base map. But let's just open one for example for you to see. So let's go back to datasets. Click on it. Let's open the first one. If you launch it, it's loading. So we can see a sample of projects already in the file. So this is how to install QField. In the next video,